Welcome to ESC Speaking and Conversation, your channel,
where you learn English and improve your speaking.
I am Lucy.
And I am Max.
Psst, Max. Have you ever been in a conversation and you just don't understand what the other person said?
Oh, yes, all the time. I just nod like a robot. Yes, totally.
Oh no, Max. That's dangerous. What if they asked, "Do you want to eat a raw onion?" And you're like, "Yes, totally."
Wait, what? That would be horrible.
Don't worry. Today I'll teach you how to react naturally when you don't understand in English. Ready?
Okay, but please, no onions.
Deal. So instead of staying silent or pretending, you can say, "Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat that, please? I'm not sure I understand."
Ooh, polite. I like it.
Exactly. Or if you need them to explain more simply, say, "Could you say that in another way? What do you mean by that?"
Ah, that's useful. Otherwise, I always panic and say, "What?" too loudly.
Oh no, don't scare them, Max. Instead, try softer versions like, "Sorry, pardon," or just a friendly smile and, "Come again?"
And what if they think I'm stupid?
Max, it's the opposite. Asking for clarification shows you're actually listening. It makes you look smart, not stupid.
Oh, so it's better to admit you don't understand than to fake it.
100%. Pretending is awkward, but honesty is confident.
Fine, but if someone really does ask me to eat a raw onion, I'll just say, "Sorry, I didn't catch that," and run away.
Good plan, Max. Hey, what about you? Do you usually pretend you understand, or do you ask for clarification?
Write your answer in the comments below.
And don't forget, like, share and subscribe to ESC Speaking and Conversation for more fun English tips. Welcome to ESC Speaking and Conversation, your channel,
where you learn English and improve your speaking.
I am Lucy.
And I am Max.